doing cocaine.
Yo, I'm hungry. You know, I don't know what to eat. Maybe I'll just throw something in the microwave. Yeah.
Steph got the waves.
Jimmy on the beat.
Dino nuggies in the microwave. Pizza rolls in my ass. Pouring chimichanga filling directly into my urethra. I'm cooking fire beats like I nuked this orange juice. Yup, you can call me Al-Qaeda, cause I make some bomb food. Yup, I'm a class A domestic terrorist, cause of the bombs that I make. As in shit. I shit a lot. Because I eat a lot of Taco Bell. Yeah, that's right. You best not mess with me. I'm spitting fire. Like how I spat out my organs. Paint buckets, cum buckets, planks of wood, hard as my dick. Mix the paint, mix the cum. I've been fucking asses all day long. Sucking penis, drinking paint.
Why my balls? Bush did 9/11. She said that she was 7. She got me second guessing because she looks 11. And I know that's illegal, but it's gotta keep the flow hard because I'm a retard sipping on some black
Call
tar.
me Al-Qaeda, cause I make some bomb food. Yup, I'm a class A domestic terrorist. Because of the bombs that I make. As in shit. I shit a lot. Because I eat a lot of Taco Bell. Yeah, that's right. You best not mess with me. I'm spitting fire. Like how I spat out my organs. Cause I make some bomb food. Yup, I'm a class A domestic terrorist. Because of the bombs that I make. As in shit. I shit a lot. Because I eat a lot of Taco Bell. Yeah, that's right. You best not mess with me. I'm spitting fire. Like how I spat out my organs. I love penis! Yeah. Committers signing off, motherfucker. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, little bitch. Little dump.